So I was in the kitchen and I wanted to know how many ounces are in 1/2 cup of tomato paste. And that's because I have this can that says 6 ounces. And is that more than a 1/2 cup? Is it less? Is it going to be enough? So in short, what I did was I took it and measured it out. And it turns out that 1/2 cup of tomato paste, this is our Giant brand tomato paste right here, it equals 4.5 ounces. So if you had a full cup, you'd need 9 ounces. So there's enough tomato paste here, this 6 ounces, that's enough for my 1/2 cup. So I'm all good, have a little bit left over. So if you wanted to know how many grams you have, you'd take 4.5 ounces. And because 1 ounce is 28.35 grams, you just multiply by 28.35. And you end up with 127.6 grams in 4.5 ounces, which is 1/2 cup of tomato paste. It's nice because we have ounces here and here, they cancel out. You're left with grams, you know you did it right. Either way, that's how many ounces are in 1/2 cup of tomato paste, 4.5 ounces. But if you want to have that in grams, 127.6 grams. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.